Okay, so first of all, pick up the bumper with the top rail inside label so that you can see it. The text needs to be the correct way up, and present it to the top rail. Next, take the rest of the bumper system, bring it over the top of the rails and pass it in between the top and middle rail. Next, take the zip for the next bumper pad and then the last bumper pad. To use the 200mm extension bumper, same again, these are handed as well, so you need to get the correct side. Then find the label that says top rail inside, present it to the top rail. Make sure that the text is the correct way around. Again, bring the bumper over, push it through between the top and the middle rail, under the Velcro. Close it onto the mesh. Velcro again. And then the final bumper pad. Make sure the Velcro is connected through the mesh on the original bumper.